Hello everyone, today we're going to introduce you to a rising star in the world of football. Let's get started, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Kylian Mbappé, a name that means speed, explosion, and the future of football. Born in 1998 in Bondy, France, Mbappé grew up where football it wasn't a sport, it's a dream. His father was a football coach, his mother a professional handball player, and from day one, it felt like he was built for greatness. But what made Mbappe special wasn't just talent, it was ambition. Even as a teenager, he played like someone who already knew he was destined to become a star. At just 16, he broke into Monaco first team and shocked the football world. Quick dribbles, unreal acceleration, and deadly finishing. Europe could not ignore him, and soon the big movie happened. Paris Saint-Germain. At PSG, Mbappe became one of the most feared attackers on planet. Multiple golden boots, countless trophy, record after record. But his true global breakout came at the 2018 World Cup. At only 19 years old, Mbappe won the World Cup with France, becoming a symbol of new era. And in 2002 World Cup final, he scored a hat-trick, proving he has the mentality of a legend. Very few players in history have done what he did at such a young age. Mbappe's style is a perfect mix of pure pace, tactical intelligence, and fearless confidence. He's not just a player, he is a phenomenon, one who defines modern football. Now the big question is, can Mbappe become the best player of his generation, or even one of the generates of all times? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, Mbappe or Haaland, who is better?